Hello, my name is Manuel Rodas. I am a student of analysis and software development. In this short presentation, I will talk about organizational process in well-being and quality of life. I will explain how nutrition, physical activity, and mental health are connected with productivity in academic and work context. Before I start my presentation, I want to share my personal experience. I worked as a safety and health at work analyst in a company called Software dedicated to technology and web development service. One of my responsibilities was to organize active breaks, both virtual and face-to-face, with different dynamics and games for the workers. I also create posters and training sessions to promote healthy lifestyles. This experience taught me the importance of well-being activities because they improve motivation, reduce stress, and create a better work environment. Nutrition is one of the most important factors for human health. When we eat a balanced diet, our body and mind receive the necessary energy to work better. Healthy food like vegetables, fruits, fish, beans, and rice give us vitamins, proteins, and minerals. For example, when I eat fresh fruit in the morning, I feel more active and concentrate during my classes. On the other hand, bad nutrition with fast food, too much sugar, or soft drinks make people feel tired, stressed, and even unhealthy. Organizations and schools can promote nutrition programs like healthy lunches or information about good diets to improve performance and well-being. Another important factor is physical activity. Exercise and sports are essential to reduce stress, increase energy, and improve mood. Activities like running, swimming, cycling, or even walking for 30 minutes every day help our body and brain. In my personal experience, when I do exercise before studying, I can focus better and I feel more motivated. Sports are also important because they teach teamwork, discipline, and responsibilities. In organizations, promoting activities like group exercise, yoga, or sports events is a good way to create a healthy work environment. Nutrition and exercise are directly connected to mental health. When we eat well and practice physical activity, we feel happier, more relaxed, and less stressed. Good mental health is necessary for productivity because stress and anxiety reduce concentration and motivation. For example, during academic projects, if the team has high stress, the results are usually poor. But if the organization promotes mental well-being, people feel support and the results are better. Simple actions like meditations, healthy breaks, or good communications inside the organization can create a positive climate. The connection between health and productivity is very clear. When people eat well, do exercise, and take care of their mental health, they can study or work better. They have more creativity, energy, and motivation to complete a task. In contrast, when health is ignored, there are more problems like low performance, mistakes, or even illness. That is why organizations and schools should always integrate well-being programs into their process. In my opinion, health and productivity are not separate. They are two parts of the same system. To finish, I want to share some references that support these ideas. The World Health Organization explains the importance of healthy diets for preventing diseases. The American Psychological Association highlights the connection between exercise, stress reduction, and productivity. Finally, I also use the training material provided by SENA, which explains the importance of well-being in organizational and academic process. Thank you very much for your attention.